Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then again 2 minus 2 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS. P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question here we have one subtraction, one multiplication and one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 2 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply 0. So is equal to 2 minus, now 2 multiply 0 is equal to 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Okay. So the correct answer is 2. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.